Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, I will be covering the topic about finding the surface area of a cone. In the previous episode, we already studied how to find the surface area of a pyramid. Pyramids' lateral faces are plane figures, so it's easier to find the area without considering its net. But in case of cone's lateral face is curved, so we must draw or we must consider its net. Okay, this circle, this is the base of this cone. And this sector, this is the lateral face of this cone. Take note, the lateral face of a cone is a sector and not a triangle. Okay, why did I say not a triangle? If you will recall the topic about generatrix, these lines are equal in measures. Okay, these lines are equal in measures. In case of triangle, this line is longer than this line. That's why the lateral face of a cone is a sector and not a triangle. Okay, we all know that sector is just part of a circle. The length of this arc, okay, this is equal to the circumference of this circle. And this measure, this is the radius of the circle. Okay, to find the surface area of a cone, what we have to do is, we have to get the area of the base, and since the base is a circle, then get the area of that circle. Okay, plus the area of the lateral face. Okay, again, the lateral face of a cone is a sector. To find the area of a sector, there are two ways on how to do that. If the central angle is given, then we can use pi times radius squared times the ratio of the central angle. But if the central angle is not given and the length of the arc is given, then we can use 1/2 times radius times the length of the arc. Okay, let's give an example by answering this concept check question. Okay, we are going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate numbers. Okay, this is the cone, and the radius of the base is 3 centimeters, and this is 5 centimeters. Okay, the net of this cone is this one. Okay, what will be the length of this arc? Okay, the length of this arc, remember, this is equal to the circumference of this circle. Since the radius is 3 centimeters, so 2 times pi times 3, then that's equal to 6 pi. So the length of this arc is 6 pi centimeter. Okay, what about this measure? Okay, this length is the radius of the circle. Take note, sector is just part of a circle. So this is the radius of this circle, and this is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, now we are ready to find the surface area of this cone. First, get the area of the base. So pi times the radius, which is 3. So this is times 3 squared. So this is equal to 9 pi. So 9 pi squared centimeters. Okay, what about the area of the lateral face? Since central angle is not given, and the given is the length of the arc, okay, what we will use is 1/2 times radius times the length of the arc. So 1/2 times the radius, which is 5 centimeters, times the length of the arc, which is 6 pi. So if we will simplify, this is 3, so 5 times 3 is 15. So this is 15 pi squared centimeters. And finally, to find the surface area, we just have to add 9 pi and 15 pi. So 9 pi plus 15 pi, then this is equal to 24 pi. So 24 pi squared centimeters. Okay, now, let's answer this problem. What is the surface area of this truncated cone. Okay, what is a truncated cone? Originally, this is a cone, and when a plane or when this cone is cut by a plane that is perpendicular to the base, then this truncated cone is formed. This truncated cone has two bases. This base and this base. Okay, this is bigger than this base. Okay, to find the surface area of this truncated cone, first we have to find the area of the bases, and then we have to add the area of the lateral face. Okay, let's find first the area of the bases. Okay, let's start with this base. Since the radius is 3 centimeter, so pi times 3 squared, then that's going to be 9 pi. Okay, what about the next base or this second base? Since the radius is 3 centimeter, so 2 times or pi times 6 squared, then this is equal to 36 pi. Okay, add 9 and 36, so this is equal to 45 pi for the two bases. Okay, now let's find the area of this lateral face. And to find the area of this lateral face, we have to draw or we have to consider its net. So the net of a truncated cone, okay, looks like this. Okay, this circle, this is this base, and this one is this base. Okay, what we will find is the area of this lateral face. Okay, actually, this is a sector. Okay, to find the area of this part, okay, what we have to do is get the area of the bigger sector minus the area of the smaller sector. Okay, let's start with the bigger sector. Okay, since the central angle is not given, and what is given is the length of the arc, because we can find the length of this arc, and this is equal to the circumference of this circle. Since the radius is 6 centimeter, okay, what will be the length of this arc? So it's gonna be 2 times pi times 6. So this is equal to 12 pi. So that is the length of this arc. Okay, what about this length? Okay, since the radius of this circle is 3 centimeters, then this is equal to, okay, 2 times 3, so we have 6 pi. Okay, from here to here, that's equal to 10. Okay, 10 centimeters. Okay, now, let's find the area of this bigger sector. Okay, we are going to use 1/2 times the radius, okay, which is 10 centimeters, times the length of the arc, which is 12. So this is times 12. Okay, simplify. So this is 6. So 10 times 6, this is equal to 60 pi. So 60 pi. Okay, what about the area of this smaller sector? So 1/2, okay, times the radius would be 5. So this is times 5 times the length of the arc, which is 6 pi. So 6. So simplify. So this is 3. Then this is equal to 5 times 3. So we have 15 pi. So this is 15 pi. And to find the area of this part or of the lateral face, then we have to subtract 60 minus, okay, 15. Then this is equal to 45 pi. And finally, to find the surface area of this truncated cone, the area of the base, which is 45 pi, okay, plus the area of the lateral face, which is 45 pi. So 45 plus 45, then this is equal to 90. So 90 pi squared centimeters.